Hey boys and girls, and welcome to reading. Today I want to teach you that readers notice how the illustrations and words work together to learn more about the plot of the story. Readers can study how the words relate to each other and ask themselves, how do the illustrations and the text work together to add meaning about the plot? This is important because the author and the illustrator work together to help provide meaning, so we should pay attention. Let me give you an example about what I mean. In the book Little Fox in the Snow that we read yesterday and last week, we're looking at the illustration right here of the fox walking in the snow. You can tell that there is a big shadow of him right here. And it says, "You flow like a shadow across the fields." Right here, you flow like a shadow across the fields. So as the writer is writing that, the illustrator is making sure that the picture matches what the words say. This is what he looks like as he is looking for more food. This supports the plot because it shows us that the events or steps he's taking to find food. This example right here. Here's something else that a fox would like to eat. The illustration shows white on white. It sniffs. You freeze. The white on white is talking about the bunny. See right here it says white on white. It never says the bunny. You have to infer and realize, oh, it's talking about the bunny, which we find out flees away from the fox. Right here it sniffs and it freezes and then it charges after it, and that's when it flees. To flee means to run away from the fox. See how the words and the pictures work together to help you understand what is happening in the text? Now it is your turn. Using illustrations to learn more about the plot of the story, how do the pictures support the events that are happening on this page? We're going to come back together and talk about the illustrations and words on this page.